How to set up product attributes in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to set up product attributes in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. To manage attributes, go to Catalog, Attributes, and select Manage Attributes. This page lists all product attributes. Scroll right. To add a new attribute, click this button. Enter an attribute code. Select the scope. Choose the input type. Choose what this attribute applies to. Select the product types this attribute will apply to. Scroll down. Choose whether to show this attribute in Quick Search. Select whether to use in Advanced Search. Choose if this attribute is comparable on the front-end store. Choose whether to use in Layered Navigation. Type in the position. Scroll up. Go to Manage Label, Options. Enter a title. Scroll right. Click Save Attribute. The attribute was successfully saved. Scroll down to see it in the list below. Here is the attribute in the list. Scroll back up. To manage attribute sets, go to Catalog, Attributes, and click Manage Attribute Sets. This page shows all active attribute sets. Scroll right. To add a new set, click this button. Enter a name for the new set. Select which attribute set this one will be based on. Scroll right. Click Save Attribute Set. The set has been successfully added. You can now edit the groups in this set. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up product attributes in Magento Commerce.